Welcome, fellow time travelers, to the year 2025. If you've stumbled upon this video, you're likely curious about intermittent fasting and how it can transform your eating habits, and perhaps your waistline. Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the ins and outs of IF, sprinkled with some humor and a dash of sass. Let's dive in. What is intermittent fasting? Anyway, your body is a well-oiled machine that runs on fuel. But what if you could give it a break? That's the essence of intermittent fasting. It's not a fad diet, it's a pattern of eating that focuses on when you eat, not what you eat. This age-old practice has gained major traction in recent years for its ability to help with weight loss, boost metabolism, and improve overall health. Think of it as the body's chance to take a nap after a long workday. With intermittent fasting, you're cycling between periods of eating and fasting, allowing your digestive system to rest while your body gets busy burning fat. Now, don't panic. When we say fast, we don't mean giving up food completely. It's more about giving your body a window of time to digest and burn fat. For example, the 16/8 method is a simple and effective way to get started. You might think, wait, I have to skip breakfast? Yep, you might need to let go of that morning bagel. The science behind the hunger pangs. So, what's actually happening inside your body when you're fasting? Glad you asked. When you refrain from eating, insulin levels drop, and this triggers your body to tap into fat stores for energy. It's almost like your body switches from carb mode to fat-burning mode. And believe it or not, that's not the only thing going on. Fasting also ramps up your production of human growth hormone, which supports fat loss, muscle building, and overall cellular repair. Essentially, fasting is like upgrading your body's engine and giving it a fresh boost of fuel. But that's not all. Fasting kicks off a process called autophagy, a cellular cleanup job where your body gets rid of damaged cells and toxins. It's like your body is hitting the reset button. This is where the magic happens. Autophagy has been linked to fighting diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's, and it can even delay the aging process. If that's not an incentive, I don't know what is. It's like your body turns into a well-organized cleaning service, going to work while you're chilling and not eating. Popular intermittent fasting methods. You've probably heard of intermittent fasting, but did you know there are different ways to go about it? Yep, IF is like a buffet of options. Pick your method and dig in. If you're new to fasting, the 16/8 method is the easiest to adopt. This means fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. It's the most popular method because it fits naturally into your lifestyle, especially for those who don't mind skipping breakfast. Not into the 16/8 method? No problem. The 5-2 diet might be right for you. You eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict calories to about 500 to 600 on the other 2 days. No need to go all out on those fasting days. Just stick to light meals like a salad or a small portion of protein. And for the truly hardcore, the OMAD method is a game changer. You eat all your calories in just one meal. It's like being a professional eater, minus the food coma. Choose the method that feels right for you and get ready to watch the magic happen. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't just about cutting calories and looking good in your jeans. It comes with a host of health benefits that are backed by science. The most obvious perk is weight loss. When you limit your eating window, you naturally end up consuming fewer calories. Combine that with fat-burning processes, and you have a recipe for success. In fact, studies have shown that IF can help you lose weight without even trying. It's like your body is secretly doing the work for you, and you're just along for the ride. But wait, there's more. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity and even reduce blood sugar levels, making it a potential game changer for people at risk for type 2 diabetes. Let's not forget about your brain. When you fast, your body increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps to support cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It's like giving your brain a workout without the effort. Plus, there's evidence to suggest that intermittent fasting might help you live longer. While we're still waiting for conclusive human studies, animal studies show that fasting could extend lifespan by reducing oxidative stress and cellular damage. Potential drawbacks. As much as intermittent fasting has a superhero-like reputation, it's not without its kryptonite. Let's talk about some potential downsides. For starters, hunger is real. If you're someone who's used to snacking throughout the day, going without food for hours at a time might seem like a torture device invented by your stomach. But here's the thing, it gets better with time. Your body will adapt to fasting, and eventually, hunger won't feel as intense. Another pitfall? Overeating during eating windows. Once you're done fasting, it might feel like you can eat everything in sight. But eating too much during your eating window can undo the progress you're making. Moderation is key, and it's all about balance. Pregnant women, individuals with eating disorders, or people with certain medical conditions should check with a healthcare provider before starting. It's always better to be safe than sorry. And lastly, some people may experience headaches, fatigue, or irritability, especially in the early days. But if you're patient and stick with it, your body will adjust and things will start to feel more manageable. Tips for success. Now that you've signed up for the intermittent fasting life, here are some golden tips to help you make it a success. Start slow. Don't dive straight into 24-hour fasts. Ease into it by trying a 12-hour fast, then work your way up. Your body needs time to adjust to this new rhythm. And don't forget to stay hydrated. It's easy to forget water when you're fasting. But drinking water, herbal tea, or black coffee can help keep hunger at bay. Also, make sure you're eating nutrient-dense foods during your eating windows. Sure, it's tempting to grab that burger and fries, but your body needs fuel that will keep it energized and healthy. Focus on whole foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of fruits and veggies. And when you do eat, remember to eat mindfully. Eating slowly and savoring your meals can help prevent overeating and increase satiety. Real-life success stories. Want some inspiration? Let's meet Sarah and John, two everyday people who took on intermittent fasting and found success. Sarah, a busy mom of two, decided to give the 16/8 method a try after struggling with post-pregnancy weight gain. Within weeks, she noticed a significant drop in her energy levels, weight, and overall mood. I feel lighter, both physically and mentally. Plus, I no longer crave junk food like I used to, Sarah says with a grin. John, on the other hand, was dealing with high blood pressure and didn't want to rely on medication. He started intermittent fasting using the 5-2 method and saw his blood pressure drop within a few months. He now feels more energetic, healthier, and ready to take on the world. I used to feel sluggish after meals, but now I feel like I'm firing on all cylinders, John exclaims. These are just a couple of real-life examples of how intermittent fasting has helped people take control of their health. And the best part? You could be the next success story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. We've got plenty more tips coming your way. Now, go crush that fast and remember, your future self will thank you.